Pathways. Pathways are automations that you can program your Flex text system to respond with on incoming texts. Think of a pathway like a phone system menu or phone tree. Pathways are typically assigned their own number or group. To create a pathway, click on the arrow next to the username and then select Pathways. To get started, click on Create Node. Label your pathway for reference. Then input your message. This message is a reply to an inbound text. A common example of a reply message is, press 1 for hours of service, press 2 for support, press 3 for sales. Put in the response you require from the contact for the particular selection. Numbers are typically the best method for a response. Select the action you would like Flex Text to perform when the response is text back. You may send to another node if one has been created, send text and end interaction, or send to a queue for a live agent response. You may select landing actions the system can perform when the conversation enters this particular node. These options are to tag this contact with an existing tag, or short-circuit the pathway. Short-circuiting a pathway prevents the conversation from going to another node. Click Create Node and your pathway has been created. Your pathway may be initiated in an active chat by going to the Options menu and selecting Put on Pathway. Or you may use a keyword and set up the action of the keyword to use a pathway. In our previous example of a phone menu, you may use a keyword such as info or sales to drive contacts to text the number you use for your pathway to initiate the pathway.